if you're hooking up a central AC system like this, one thing you need is the tools to hook it up correctly. And that's exactly what this is. What I need to do is get this thing all hooked up and then evacuate the lines of all air so we can then put the Freon or the coolant type material into it. So I got to do that. I got this kit here. If you're looking at this, this is what you're going to get. Let me just unbox this here and show you all the different components, all ready to go. Now I do have some of these tools separately, but this is nice if you're looking to get everything at once and not have to worry about if you're missing anything. This kit has everything you need. First thing you have is your gauge set and all your hoses and all your different connectors to get this hooked up so you can monitor the pressure and the vacuum when you're evacuating all the air out of the tubes. The other main component you need is the actual vacuum pump. Come with some brochures and instruction manual in here to help get you started, get this set up. And again, this is not an educational video, so if you don't know how to do this, make sure you seek professional help to get this set up. But this kit does have all the stuff you need to do that. It does come with some oil for the pump, so you can get some oil in it right off the bat to make sure the pump itself is protected. And then of course, the pump itself. Now I have a couple of these pumps, but this one here is heavier and bigger than the ones I have. So it's going to do a good job of creating that vacuum so we can then put in the coolant material we need. Got an on-off switch, a good sized cord, your oil fill section here, and then you have your spot here where you connect all the tubes and hoses you need. It's going to hook up to this and onto your central AC unit outside to create that vacuum. And again, that brings us back to this here. All these different connections here and stuff that you have in here are going to allow you to get hooked up to this and up to that. And then when you plug this in, you can draw that vacuum down and monitor it, like I said, with the gauges that are included with this set. So then you can get this thing up and running. So if you're looking to buy things piece by piece, that's certainly one way you can do it. But if you want to make a purchase and have everything all in one kit, this is what I would recommend doing. Now these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could unbox this and show you what's in the kit and kind of review it for you. I will be using this kit to set this unit up very soon, and maybe I'll do another video when I do that. But in the meantime, if you do click that order button, this is what you're going to get. And I really hope this short video helps you out. And you can determine whether or not this is going to work for you. So it's much easier to pick up a full kit like this, ready to go, than it is to try to piecemeal and get different pieces, hoping you're going to get everything to connect together. So there you go. These guys, like I said, were nice enough to send it out to me to do this, and hopefully this short video helps you out, and you can determine whether or not this is right for you.